The Talmud records that God, Kadosh Baruch Hu, wears tefillin just like we do. His tefillin are inscribed, Mi Amcha Yisrael, who's like you, my people Israel. If Kadosh Baruch Hu wanted to play doctor, he would probably choose the lab coat of Yonatan Halevy to wear quite proudly, just like he emulates us wearing those tefillin.
I have the privilege of being in contact with the Director General of Shaare Zedek Medical Center almost each and every day. With almost 2,200 staff members, 525 patients on a regular basis, Professor Halevy understands what care and compassion are all about.
His reputation followed him before already. Everyone knew that he's very well known in the sciences, he's a good doctor, and everybody knew that he's a mensch.
And I think that tonight we should also keep in mind the people who actually handpicked Professor Halevy some 20 years ago, namely the late Ludwig Jesselson, Zichrono Livracha, and Charlie Bentheim, Zichrono Livracha, who together with a group of people decided that this person is the right person at the right time for the right hospital. Due to their vision, we have today a completely different Shaare Zedek Medical Center under the leadership of Professor Halevy, who has changed this place over the last 20 years from a small community hospital to really a world leader in modern medicine.
It has the reputation as a hospital with a heart. We treat everybody. We treat Arabs, we treat Jews, Christians, Muslims, poor, rich. There's no difference. We have a big heart.
Professor Halevy is the physician who knows each and every specialty in his hospital and the frontiers it's negotiating today. When Anita and I came with his new project in genetics, the frontier of medicine, something very few people had heard about, his familiarity was there in all the specialties of medicine as they gallop forward.
The Genetics Institute at Shaare Zedek would not have been founded without Professor Halevy's vision of the way he wanted the hospital to move into really what is now the frontier of medicine that helped found the institute. When we were approached in about 2002 by Rabbi David Fuld to start a PGD program at Shaare Zedek, even I was skeptical, and actually Professor Halevy was a major force in saying, this actually will be possible, it can be done. I think that energy, that feeling that anything is possible for us is extremely important. I think it has a huge impact on the way we give patient care, and I think the fact that he still brings so much fresh energy to it is very important.
Most people in this building at Shaare Zedek, they work hard. However, I've never met anyone in my entire professional career who really works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Doesn't matter whether he's on a safari in Africa or whether he is on the road in the States. And this is maybe a unique chance that I don't have on a normal day, namely on behalf of the entire staff, to thank Professor Halevy for being who he is, what he is, and particularly for what he does for Shaare Zedek.
Yonatan Halevy has a lab coat that matches perfectly with his kippah. His medicine is a continuum of his commitment to Kadosh Baruch Hu, to his people, and to his land.
Halevy is there for his patients in bad times and in good times. He gives them a lot of hope, and he treats them like human beings.
I think each and every one of us is proud to be able to support his efforts at Shaare Zedek. I'm not certain there's any more rewarding philanthropic enterprise that I've ever met than walking in the footsteps of Professor Halevy, and I think Kadosh Baruch Hu is proud that he has someone just like him, wearing a lab coat right beneath his kippah and performing so marvelously such an ultimate Kiddush Hashem.